happy welcome to all our beloved children on this joyous occasion.
Childhood is the best time to learn new things.
Set goals and start working towards them.
Focus on your aims and all the best for your future.
With this note, we wish to begin our celebration of Children's Day. We are glad to welcome everyone on this happy day. I request Mrs. Shanti to welcome all of us today.
Good day to our dear principal, Reverend Brother K.K. Thomas, our respectable Barsar, Reverend Brother Sebastian, fellow teachers, and a warm welcome to our beloved children. Changes have become the new normal after enduring a pandemic and recent waterlogging. There has been a paradigm shift in all of our accustomed regime. But despite the turbulence that has crossed our paths, we have once more gained our balance and have started learning to live with the circumstances on our way, and by God's grace have resumed our in-person classes. Regardless of renewing our offline classes, for the safety of you, our enduring lot, the offline Children's Day celebration could not be permitted. But I surely hope that all of you would have reminisced the light memories of your celebration in school. The times where you used to come dressed up, all gleaming and glowing with your charming smiles, and spending the whole day with your friends and us teachers. Just like you, we teachers also felt nostalgic with our Children's Day program that we specially curated for you, our dearest ones. But Akuna Matata, don't feel worried. We are back with a bang. Cheer up, children, and brace yourselves as we, your teachers, have planned to sweep away your melancholy with our virtual Children's Day celebration. So unwind, relax, and enjoy. Thank you. Start.
A good beginning is the sign of God's grace and abundant blessings upon His people. We will begin our celebrations with a prayer, followed by a prayer dance. We request our Vice Principal, Mrs. Monica D'Souza, to lead us in prayer and invoke God's presence on our children.
Our Heavenly Father, you love little children and will always bless them as they are unique gifts. Today, as it is their special day, bless them, Lord, with your wisdom and knowledge to understand the ways of life. Grant them a heart to love and treat everyone equally at all times. Let your enduring love encircle them, giving them confidence and grace, and equip them with the abilities to persevere through trials. May your presence always be with them and guide them to face each day with positivity, knowing that no matter what comes their way, they do not face alone. Bless each child with happiness in their heart to enjoy their childhood. We make this prayer in your holy and mighty name. Amen.
Niranava Nilamanava Villanava Katranava Iraiva ஒளியானவா
தாங்கடத்துக்கு தரகடத்துக்கு திம் தத்தின் தகுதுன தாங்கடத்துக்கு தரகடத்துக்கு திம் தத்தின் தாங்கடத்துக்கு தரகடத்துக்கு திம் தத்தின் சஜம் தக்கிட்ட தாங்கடத்துக்கு துன திம் தாங்கடத்துக்கு துன திம் தாங்கடத்துக்கு துன தாங்கடத்துக்கு துன தாங்கடத்துக்கு துன தாங்கடத்துக்கு துன தத்தஜம் தத்தின் தத்தகுன திம் தத்தஜம் தத்தின் தத்தகுன திம் தத்தஜம் தத்தின் தத்தகுன திம்
நீர்தானே உயிர்க்கெல்லாம் முதலானவன் நீர்தானே உயிர்க்கெல்லாம் முதலானவன் நான் தேடும் உலகெல்லாம் உறவானவன் ஜெகம் கூடி ஜதி பாடும் இசையானவன் ஜெகம் கூடி ஜதி பாடும் இசையானவன் என்னை நாடும் தொடர்கின்ற நிழலானவன் என்னை நாடும் தொடர்கின்ற நிழலானவன் நீர்தானே உயிர்க்கெல்லாம் முதலானவன் இறைவா நதியில் நீராகி நிலவெல்லாம் ஒளியாகி பனியில் துளியாகும் இறையானவா நதியில் நீராகி நிலவெல்லாம் ஒளியாகி பனியில் துளியாகும் இறையானவா புவியில் திறனாகி நீரெல்லாம் கருவாகி காற்றில் அசைந்தாடும் நிறைவானவா புவியில் திறனாகி உயிரெல்லாம் கருவாகி காற்றில் அசைந்தாடும் நிறைவானவா ஸ்வரம் தேடியே உனை பாடினே இதம் கூடியே மகிழ்ந்தாடினே நீர்தானே உயிர்க்கெல்லாம் முதலானவன் நான் தேடும் உலகெல்லாம் உறவானவன் ஜெகம் கூடி ஜதி பாடும் இசையானவன் ஜெகம் கூடி ஜதி பாடும் இசையானவன் என்னை நாடும் தொடர்கின்ற நிழலானவன் என்னை நாடும் தொடர்கின்ற நிழலானவன் நீர்தானே உயிர்க்கெல்லாம் முதலானவன் இறைவா
Our former president rightly said, "You cannot change your future, but you can change your habits. And surely, your habits will change your future."
Yes, my dear children, if your future changes, you can make a change in the world around you. With this thought, the kindergarten teachers are here to enthrall you with a song.
செல்வமே நாளை தேசம் முந்தன் கையிலே வா செல்வமே நாளை தேசம் முந்தன் கையிலே ஆகாயம் தாண்டியும் உன் சாதனை நீளட்டும் வான் செல்லும் வரையிலும் உன் முயற்சிகள் தொடரட்டும் வா செல்வமே நாளை தேசம் முந்தன் கையிலே வா செல்வமே நாளை தேசம் முந்தன் கையிலே அதை ஏற்றுக்கொள்ளும் நீயும் வாழ்வினில் காணும் பல வெற்றி கொள்ளவே வாழ்க நீ வாழ்க ஓஹோ நீ வாழ்க கனவுகள் யாவும் வெற்றி கொள்ளவே வாழ்க நீர்வளம் தாண்டி நீ ஓடும் நதியாக ஒளி காணக்கூடும் இருளெல்லாம் கடந்து போக தீபங்கள் ஏற்று உன் பாதையை நீ மாற்று நேர்மையை காத்து பல வெற்றிகளை சேர்த்து நீ வாழ்க ஓஹோ நீ வாழ்க பலரும் போற்றும் வண்ணம் நீயும் வாழ்க நீ வாழ்க ஓஹோ நீ வாழ்க பலரும் போற்றும் வண்ணம் நீயும் வாழ்க வா செல்வமே நாளை தேசம் முந்தன் கையிலே வா செல்வமே நாளை தேசம் முந்தன் கையிலே ஆகாயம் தாண்டியும் உன் சாதனை நீளட்டும் வான் செல்லும் வரையிலும் உன் முயற்சிகள் தொடரட்டும் வா செல்வமே நாளை தேசம் முந்தன் கையிலே வா செல்வமே நாளை தேசம் முந்தன் கையிலே வா செல்வமே நாளை தேசம் முந்தன் கையிலே வா செல்வமே நாளை தேசம் முந்தன் கையிலே
We request our Barsar Reverend Brother Sebastian to share his thoughts with us.
Dear children, at the outset, I wish you all a happy Children's Day, dear students. And I feel indeed blessed to serve the future of this nation. Dear children, it is your day. We, as a management and teachers, along with your parents, we are celebrating your childhood. You are a miracle to each one of us. You radiate the love every day when you enter the school. Montfort is known for its education, and you, as a part of an international family, we are indeed proud of you to have you with us. And the days that you spend in Montfort should be fruitful and will give you enough knowledge and wisdom. Dear students, as we celebrate your day, we are with you. We are here to mold you, to build you a better citizens for this nation. And remember our great leaders who have left a beautiful words for you children. And today, as we remember our first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru, who had a great love for these children, and whom we are celebrating this Children's Day. Dear children, as you journey along your school life, remember always to be a responsible citizen, now and forever. And we have a beautiful words to say that Montfort builds the children and the children will build the nation. This will be your guiding star, and I wish you once again a happy Children's Day, and God bless us all. Thank you.
Robson ma'am, did you notice that after we started teaching through the virtual platform, our children have become extraordinarily smart, exhibiting their talents and skills?
Yes, Shanti ma'am. They are braver than you believe, stronger than they seem, and smarter than you think. Watch for yourself. Our teachers imitating all the naughtiness that they do during their online classes.
Children, here is a humorous episode for you to watch and enjoy.
We, the teachers of high school and higher secondary, are here to perform a skit depicting the online and offline discipline of our children. To introduce the characters, teacher, Mrs. Bhuvaneshwari, students, Mrs. Leena, Mrs. Amul, Mrs. Sonia, Mrs. Minnie, Mrs. Jayashree, Mrs. Nancy Octavia, Mrs. Nalini, and as mother and narrator, Mrs. Geeta. Scene 1. The teacher schedules the online class.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Amul. Good morning, Minnie.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Leena. Where are the others?
All will join, ma'am. I don't know when they will join, but
Good morning, ma'am. I had some network issues, ma'am. That's why I couldn't join on time.
You will have always network issues, Sonia. I don't know whether you are telling the truth or lying.
Promise, ma'am, I am having network issues.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm sorry I got up just now, ma'am. I'm having my breakfast, ma'am.
Nalini, you are always irregular. I don't know when only you are going to change.
Sorry, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm in my uncle's house, ma'am. I don't have my textbook with me. Sorry, ma'am.
Oh God. Jayashree, are you there? In the beginning of the class, I didn't see you, no?
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, I joined first, ma'am. You didn't call me, ma'am. Ma'am, you know, Leena, Sonia, Nalini, Nancy all are playing video games, ma'am. Free Fire, ma'am.
How do you know that they are playing Free Fire?
They told me, ma'am. In fact, they called me to join them, ma'am.
Ma'am, we don't know what is Free Fire,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. We are not playing.
Ma'am, my mom is next to me. I'm not playing, ma'am.
Okay, leave it. I'll see to that later. Now we'll start off with the class.
Ma'am, I finished all my homework, ma'am. Ma'am, I too have finished my homework, ma'am.
Very good. Amul and Minnie, you are always regular and sincere. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am. We will continue to do, ma'am.
Okay, children, we'll continue with our class.
Yes, ma'am.
Scene 2. After 2 days, the teacher plans to schedule a test. She advises the children to prepare well and write sincerely. Let us see how the children write their online test.
Good morning, children. Are you ready for the test?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have prepared, ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am, I know only half, ma'am.
Ma'am, I had a headache, ma'am. I did not prepare well, ma'am. Can we postpone it?
No postponing.
Ma'am. Which exercise, ma'am?
Nalini, I have already posted the portions in the ULO app. Please check it.
Ma'am, ULO is not coming for me. It's not working, ma'am. So I don't know about the test, ma'am.
Okay, I'll check it later.
Ma'am, I went to see my grandmother, ma'am. I did not prepare, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Children, I don't want any excuses now. I'm posting the question in MS Teams. Please start writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, please keep your camera on.
Ma'am, my camera is not working, ma'am. Ma'am, I cannot see my question paper, ma'am.
You will get it, ma. Wait for 5 minutes.
Ma'am, I can see the question paper, ma'am. Me too, ma'am. Ma'am, I also cannot see the question paper, ma'am. Still, I didn't get my question paper, ma'am. Shall
Now?
I start, ma'am?
Now all got the question paper?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I got.
Okay, you can start. Children, keep your cameras on. Sonia, I can see only the ceiling. Please focus the camera on your paper.
Jayashri? Hello, Jayashri?
Tell me.
Can you tell me the page number of second question?
I think it is 91. You asked someone not to post all the answers. Come on, in the group, let's post all the answers.
Okay, wait, I'll ask Leena. Hello, Leena? Leena, can you hear me? Hello?
Hello, Nalini.
Can you tell me the second Roman letter answers?
I think it's E square plus 2A.
Wait, I'll take down.
Soon.
You tell me the page number better.
Page 53.
Okay, I'll tell to Jayashri, okay. Jayashri? Hello, Jayashri?
Hello? Tell me, come
It's
on.
page 52.
Oh, it's page 52.
Yes.
Oh, that lesson, eh?
Yes,
okay.
that lesson only.
Children, it's getting time up. Please post your answer sheets now. Fast.
Finish, ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am, it's not uploading, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm uploading, ma'am.
Ma'am, I cannot upload. My mom is not there at home. Can I upload in the evening?
No, I'll give you 1 hour extra. Within that time, you please upload it, okay?
No, ma'am, my mom is not there at home. She'll come only in the evening, ma'am. Can I upload in the evening, ma'am?
No,
Ma'am,
Nalini,
can I
you
send
see
it in WhatsApp?
Ma'am, uploaded, ma'am. See, check whether it's come, ma'am.
Yes, I got it.
Ma'am, I turned in. Please check. Ma'am, I too uploaded, ma'am.
I too, ma'am, uploaded, ma'am. Please check, ma'am.
Yes, children, I have got all your papers. Okay,
Ma'am, I
thank
took
you.
the help of Jayashri and I have turned in. Please check and tell, ma'am.
Yes, Nalini, I got your paper.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, children, thank you.
During the test, many students copy from their textbook. Few get the answers through WhatsApp messages sent by their friends. Only few children write their tests sincerely. Teacher corrects the papers and send the marks to the parents. Almost everyone have performed well. The teacher appreciates all the students. She also informs the children about the reopening of the school. Scene 3.
Ma'am, may I come in, ma'am?
Ma'am, please excuse me, ma'am.
Please excuse me, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Morning, ma'am.
Sit down. Welcome back to school. Very happy to see you all.
Ma'am, we are really eagerly waiting to see you, ma'am.
How are you all?
ma'am.
How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Tall brother, no? See where
Now, all these days, you were attending online classes, children. Today, you have come to school. So, this is entirely different from online classes. So, when you are in the school, please see that you adapt yourself to every situation. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Nalini, why are you in color dress?
My uniform is not ready, ma'am. I have given to the tailor, ma'am.
Okay. But see that next week onwards you wear.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
ma'am. Good morning, children. How are you all? Please be seated. Fine, thank you, ma'am. Hope all of you have come back with a lot of hopes and dreams back to school. Yes, ma'am. Are you all enjoying?
Yes,
ma'am. Really?
Yes,
Oh, that's
ma'am.
nice. So nice to see you all. Actually, now only the school looks so nice. All these days we have been missing you all so much. However, I take this opportunity to welcome each one of you on behalf of the management and all the staff of our school for your regular school. There's nothing like coming back to school, isn't it? Yes? I don't know how it will be for your academics, but at least to have fun. Because that was something which you have all been missing a long time, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, stay safe, because safety is our priority right now. Follow all SOPs and protocols, wear your masks, maintain your distance, and see that you keep yourself safe, thereby you have to keep others safe. So one last thing I would like to say, have fun responsibly, show a lot of interest in your academics, and ensure that all the learning gaps are filled. Wish you all a wonderful year ahead, and may God bless you all.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, brother. Morning, brother.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, brother. Good morning, brother.
Please sit down.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you, brother.
I am very glad to meet you all. I hope you are all fine.
Yes, brother.
Are you following all the protocols of the COVID?
Yes, brother.
How about your net connectivity for your online classes?
Nice, brother.
I suppose all of you are attending the online class also very regular?
Yes, brother.
Yes, brother.
Yes, children, you are all 11th standard, and hence you need to be serious as the months have passed and you will have to soon face your board examination. I wish you all the best.
Thank you, brother. Shall we start with the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, take your notebooks, Lena, sit straight. Ma'am, I'm very sleepy, ma'am.
Ma'am, Sonia is eating something, ma'am. Ma'am.
Sonia, what is it? Keep it inside the bag.
It is on her lap, ma'am. See, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a headache. Can I lie down, ma'am?
Jayashree, this is not your home. This is school. Please sit straight.
Ma'am, we'll start, ma'am.
Yes, we'll start with the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, take your notebook.
The teacher completes one chapter and she wants to conduct a short test. After a long time, children are writing the test offline.
Nalini, is this portion for the test? I don't know. Wait, I'll ask Amal.
Feeling hungry.
For test?
You have chocolate with you.
Algebra. Tell the page number. Page number 50 to 56. Can you teach the seventh sum? Now there is no time now. What did you do when teacher was explaining? You just give the glance of it now. You by heart the formula. You can substitute everything and you can do easily. It's very easy one. Okay. First you by heart all the formulas there in algebra.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Sit down. Are you all ready for the test?
Yes, ma'am. I prepared well, ma'am.
Good.
I too prepared well, ma'am.
Ma'am, I know only 1 5-mark, ma'am.
Ma'am, I also did not prepare well, ma'am. Which exercise, ma'am?
Nalini, already I posted the portions in ULO app. You should have checked it.
Ma'am, I'm not receiving ULO, ma'am. I already told you, ma'am.
Now, children, I don't want all these excuses. Now you will write your test.
I am ready.
Here you have.
Ma'am, I know
I'm
only
giving
choose the
question
correct answer, ma'am. What to do, ma'am?
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
What is it, Nancy?
Ma'am, this second question, should I multiply or add, ma'am?
That you only should know,
She knows
Nancy.
the answer.
Sit down.
Ma'am, paper is very easy, ma'am.
Good.
for the second. Sorry.
No, she don't.
What is it, Nalini? Don't talk now.
Ma'am, my pen is not having ink, ma'am. It's not writing, ma'am. Shall I get from Jayashree? I also don't have, ma'am.
Children, you should bring your
I'll
own
ask Nancy,
stationaries,
ma'am.
ma.
I'll ask Nancy, ma'am.
Nancy, is this the way you will throw the pen?
Sorry, ma'am.
Nalini, show. Wait, I know only two.
What is it now? It's Nalini and Jayashree.
Leena.
Stop talking.
Amal.
Leena, what is it?
Leena.
Not me, ma'am.
Okay, right fast.
Ask Amul. Leena.
Children, there is only 10 minutes more. What is it? Who threw that?
I finished, ma'am.
I'll collect.
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
So fast, you
Yes,
finished.
ma'am.
What did you write?
2 marks and 1 3 marks, ma'am.
That's all.
Yes, ma'am.
It shows how you are prepared for the exam.
Ma'am, paper is very easy, ma'am.
Yes, for you it will be easy, Mini. Good. Children, only 10 minutes more. Children, only 10 minutes more.
Ma'am, I finished. My paper, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Enough. Time up.
Note well.
Right, everything.
Mommy answers.
Get only 2 marks, you know.
Luckily,
What
Leena
is that,
gave me
Leena?
the
You are
tip.
looking into her paper? Enough now. Amul, enough. Give. Good.
See this Amul? She did not show a paper at all.
I'm calling her, she's not turning at all.
See, you all have to learn and come. Copying is very wrong, okay? You should not do that. It's a bad attitude.
Okay, children. I'll come in the afternoon and I'll give you your test papers. Now you can go for your break.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Children could not copy or get the answers through WhatsApp, which they used to do during their online tests. Children who were sincere and honest score high marks, but those who did all the malpractice during online class could not perform well offline.
Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
I corrected all your papers. Only Amul and Mini have got good marks.
Ma'am, did I pass? Ma'am, I passed, ma'am.
Remaining all failed. In online test, all were getting 80s and 90s. But in offline, you have failed. It shows in online you have copied, got help from the friends. That's how you got good marks. But now you are unable to do the test.
Sorry, ma'am.
We won't repeat this mistake again, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Next time we'll work hard and get good marks, ma'am.
Okay, that's okay, children. Next time onwards, see that you learn, prepare well for the test and come and write your exam. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Good.
Children should learn to be God-fearing, obedient, honest, sincere, respect elders, hardworking, and self-disciplined. Children, you are God's best creation. God loves you and cares for you. So you should love and respect your parents, elders, teachers, and all human beings. If you inculcate and practice all these good values in your life, you will be blessed and will succeed in all your endeavors. Thank you. God bless you all.
The best way to make children good is to make them happy. They are the best creations of God.
What else will give them more happiness than to see their teachers who always give them instructions like, don't do this, don't do that, sit quietly.
Today, they are stepping to the rhythm of music to entertain you all with the fusion dance.
நாளை தலைவர்களே, நம் தாயும் மொழியும் கண்கள் சிங்கங்களே, வாழும் தெய்வங்களே, நம் தேசம் காப்பவர் நீங்கள் தங்கங்களே. நாளை தலைவர்களே, நம் தாயும் மொழியும் கண்கள் சிங்கங்களே, வாழும் தெய்வங்களே, நம் தேசம் காப்பவர் நீங்கள். நம் தாத்தா காந்தியும் மாமா நேரும் தேடிய செல்வங்கள், பள்ளிச்சாலை தந்தவன் ஏழை தலைவனை தினமும் எண்ணுங்கள்.
கொடுப்பார் யாரோ இனி யாரோ நம்மை வெல்வார் யாரோ நீதி உங்கள் நெஞ்சில் உண்டு தீவரக்கும் கண்கள் உண்டு முன்னெடுத்து காலை வையடா காயம் வந்து கீறினாலும் நியாயம் எங்கள் மூச்சு என்று உண்மையோடு சேர்ந்து நில்லடா அச்சம் உண்டு வெற்றி கொள்ள வேண்டும் என்று அச்சம் கொண்டு அச்சம் வெல்லடா அந்த மேக தூரல் ஒருவனுக்கு மட்டும் இல்லையே நீயும் அதனை போல பொழியடா எழு வீரவனே ஒளியாகிடுவோம் அதிநாயகனே உயிர் காத்திடுவோம் எழு வீரவனே ஒளியாகிடுவோம் அதிநாயகனே உயிர் காத்திடுவோம்.
A poem is the form of expressing thoughts and emotions. Who's on stage today, Shanti ma'am, to render a poem?
You don't know? It's our Tamil teacher, Mrs. Usha Rani, to entertain us with a kavidai.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். நான் தனியாக நின்று கவிதை வாசிப்பதால் முகக்கவசம் இல்லாமல் இருக்கிறேன். பாட்டு பாடுங்கன்னு ஒருத்தங்களை ஃபோர்ஸ் பண்ணலாம், ஏன் சாப்பிட கூட ஒருத்தங்களை கட்டாயம் பண்ணலாம். ஆனால் கவிதையை அப்படி எழுத வைக்க முடியாது. கற்பனையை விதைத்தால் தான் கவிதை வரும். குழந்தைகளே, உங்களுக்காக இதோ நான் எழுதிய கவிதை. இப்படியே இருப்போமா? ஆசிரிய குழந்தையின் அன்பு வாழ்த்து. பருவ மழையில் நனைந்து நிலவை பிடித்து பனி கட்டியில் கரைத்து நட்சத்திரங்களாய் ஜொலிக்கும் குழந்தைகளே, உங்கள் மீது தெளித்து சொல்ல வந்தேன் குழந்தைகள் தின விழா வாழ்த்துக்கள். நேரு மாமாவின் அன்பு பரிசாம் இன்று குழந்தைகளின் ஆண்டு விழா. யாழையும் குழலையும் தோற்கடிக்கும் மழலை கச்சேரி, மலர்களும் வரிசையில் நின்று பார்க்கும் குழந்தைகள் கண்காட்சி. பிறந்து அழுது தவழ்ந்து பசித்து சிரித்து அமர்ந்து விழுந்து எழுந்து குதித்து நடந்து படித்து, அம்மாடி, இவைதானோ குழந்தைகளின் கனா காணும் காலங்கள்? கைகோர்த்து நடந்து துள்ளித் திரியும் இந்த வசந்த கால பள்ளி பருவத்தை குறும்படம் போட்டு காட்டிவிட முடியுமா என்ன? எதிர்காலத்தை ஜெயிக்க வந்த எதிர்காலமே இந்த குழந்தைகள் தானே. பருவமழை பெய்தும் போட்ட விதை முளைக்கலையாம். பூமி தாயும் ஆன்லைன் வகுப்பில் அமர்ந்து படித்த மகனை காணவில்லை என்று பெற்ற தாயும் புலம்புகின்றனரே. கூட்டை திறவுங்கள், குழந்தை பறவைகள் வெளியே வரட்டும். ஆனால் ஒன்று குழந்தைகளே, கவனமாக இருக்க வேண்டும். இது கனமழை காலம். கைக்குலுக்கி பேச வேண்டாம். நம் பள்ளி மைதானம் உங்களின் பாதங்களை வருடவும், வகுப்பறைகள் நீங்கள் அமரவும் தவமும் இருக்கின்றன. நீங்கள் வெளியே வருவது விளையாடுவதற்கல்ல. நம் இந்திய தேசம் நாளைய உங்களின் வரலாற்றை பேச. பெற்றோர்களே, ஆசைகளை திணிக்காதீர்கள். குழந்தைகளின் வாழ்க்கையை குழந்தைகள் வாழட்டுமே. குழந்தைகள் தினத்தை கொண்டாடுவதை விட்டுவிட்டு குழந்தைகளை எப்பொழுது கொண்டாட போகிறீர்கள்? உங்களுடன் நாங்களும் ஒரு முறையேனும் வகுப்பில் அமர்ந்து கற்க, ஓடி ஆடி விளையாட இன்று இங்கு வந்துள்ள ஆசிரியர் குழந்தைகள் தான். முகக்கவசத்தால் முகத்தை மூடாமல், சமூக இடைவெளி இல்லாமல் வீடியோ கேமில் விளையாட வேண்டாம். மாணவ குழந்தைகளே, உங்களின் இரு செவிகளையும் 2 நிமிடங்களுக்கு மட்டும் எனக்கு இரவல் தாருங்களேன். ஏன் தெரியுமா? அப்படியே அள்ளித் தருகிறோம். பத்திரமாய் பார்த்து கொள்ளுங்கள் நம் பாரத தேசத்தை. நன்றி, நன்றி, நன்றி.
We request our principal, Reverend Brother K.K. Thomas, to render his Children's Day message.
Happy Children's Day to all of you, my dear children. Instead of 14th of November, we are celebrating it today because the heavy rains and the power cut all over the place. I greatly appreciate all your beloved teachers for taking time to prepare various cultural events. I am sure you will be delighted to see all of them performing on the stage. Children's Day is the birthday of our first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru. He had such a soft corner for the children and loved their company. So he wanted to celebrate his birthday as Children's Day. He is known as the architect of the modern India. He also paved the way to transform the education system of the country. He also introduced IITs and AIMS and other higher education systems for the benefit of the youth. I am sure you children will realize the dreams of Nehruji by studying well to bring out the needed changes for our nation and for yourselves. The global shift of the time was not faced by your parents or the people of the generations before. COVID has left a lasting scar on all of us. Climate change is an alarming factor faced by all. Technology is transforming our lives. Teaching learning method has changed a lot. Let your education help you to tide over these changes and come successful in life. I look forward to the day all of you come back to the school and sit together and enjoy our school programs in the company of your friends. But now it is not possible, so let us enjoy it online. God bless all of you.
Our teachers have joined together singing in unison to motivate you, dear children, saying, push yourselves harder than yesterday if you want a different and a successful tomorrow. Tune in and enjoy the bilingual song sequence.
At the end of the day, some you win, some you don't. So we are glad that we are here with some teachers that you know. Always there with a smile, saying you're not alone. Singing la 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 la, que sera. Yesterday is history, oh, you gotta get through it. Tomorrow is a mystery, so let's get through it. Even when the rain falls, you gotta stand tall. No matter what you go through, we'll never leave you. So you gotta be strong, strong. Live by the words of the song, song. Together is where we belong, long. Never stop dreaming, keep holding on.
is the hidden language of the soul and the state of mind.
When the hands move, the eyes follow. When the eyes move, the mind follows. And when the mind follows, the expression flows. When the expression flows, Navarasa is evoked.
Our teachers are very skilled in expressing these emotions. Let's enjoy the dance performance.
City, city, city. City. City, city, city. City, 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 city. City.
கல கல கலவென சிரி கண்ணில் நீர் வர சிரி சிரி ஓ சிரி
சிரிக்க தெரிந்த மிருகத்திற்கு மனிதன் என்று பெயர், சிரிக்க மறந்த மனிதனுக்கு மிருகம் என்று பெயர். சோ கலகல கலவென சிரி கண்ணில் நீர் வர சிரி 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 சிரி.
கனிக்கூட்டம் அதிசயம்
வண்ணத்து பூச்சி உடம்பு விலங்கள் அதிசயம்
துளை செல்லும் காற்று மெல்லிசையாதல் அதிசயம்
குருநாதர் இல்லாத குயில் பாட்டு அதிசயம்
அதிசயமே அசந்து போகும் நீ எந்த அதிசயம் வெள்ளை பூக்கள் உலகம் எங்கும் மலரவே விழியும் பூமி அமைதிக்காக இணைகவே மண்மேல் மஞ்சள் வெளிச்சம் விழகவே மலரே சோம்பல் முறித்து இழுகவே வெள்ளை பூக்கள் உலகம் எங்கும் மலரவே விழியும் பூமி அமைதிக்காக இணைகவே
Life is short, live it. Love is rare, grab it. Anger is bad, dump it. Enjoy each and every moment of your life.
To express our gratitude, I now call upon Mrs. Elizabeth Robson to give the vote of thanks.
I feel very happy to propose the vote of thanks on this special day. I thank the Almighty for His bountiful blessings for making today's occasion successful. A special thanks to our principal, Reverend Brother K.K. Thomas, for being a beacon of light in guiding and motivating us to showcase our talents and entertaining our children and sharing the Children's Day message. I thank our bursar, Reverend Brother Sebastian, for expressing his kind thoughts to our children. We are grateful to our Vice Principal for always being a pillar of support and for encouraging us in everything. My heartfelt thanks to all the teachers for showcasing such a wonderful program to make all our children happy on their special day. Every child is a beautiful flower in the garden of love that spreads joy to everyone. My dear children, thank you for being a source of inspiration and helping us to bring out our best. We learn a lot every day from you. Our success, dear children, depends on you. We all love you and pray for you always to reach great heights. And thank you for also being such a wonderful audience today. I do hope all of you enjoyed the entertaining program. A special thanks to all our parents for their cooperation. I thank all of you for making today's occasion a grand success. Long live Montfort.